In this video, we're going to review account settings. When setting up your account, there are several configurations to customize in the account settings section. Some details, such as your company information, will already be populated from the sign-up process. You can upload your company logo here as well. You can resize and upload your company logo on your own, or feel free to send it to us for resizing. The main area of account settings is called General Settings. Then there is tax settings here. You can pre-assign tax rates for any territory you offer services. For example, if you work in one state, you can set a flat state tax here. If you charge tax by zip code, you can enter each zip code with its specific rate, such as 5% for one zip and 5.5% for another. Simply save or delete entries as needed. Set your time zone, tier pricing, allow low, medium, and high pricing levels if you choose to offer multiple discount factors. If you charge an install fee, you can select flat, per item, or per order rates and set amounts here. You can also choose to apply tax to labor or set fees manually on quotes, making them taxable if required. Some dealers add hidden surcharges as flat or percentage-based amounts. The e-binding text appears below the signature on the tablet for customer review and approval. You can customize and format this as needed. If you have a longer document for terms and conditions, consider reducing the font size for a more compact display. Within the Workflow Manager, configure job completion email templates, which allow quick email sending upon job completion. You'll also find follow-up email text for the opportunity pipeline, allowing automated message setup for quotes or orders. This can be personalized, or you can use the default message, which auto-populates with customer information. Experiment with available themes, update your password, and edit billing information here as well. For install sheets, you can select a compact or detailed view. The detailed view includes all chosen options and controls, while the compact view is a simpler layout. In the quote settings, you can restrict customers from seeing window sizes on estimates to prevent them from using your measurements. This setting can be applied globally, and there's an option to add the option to include sizes to the quote screen for individual selection. Did we miss anything? Feel free to email us your wish list.